Mwah. What's up, you guys? How's it going?
How y'all doing? I'm SeaJay.
And I'm Denny, and together we are
Agate Enchantment.
and Rock Wizardry. That's
Yes.
right.
Okay.
Well, you haven't seen us in a while.
We've
About
been
a
working-
couple of weeks, we've been developing this website, and we're trying to make a resource for all you Rockhounds. So you don't want to hear about that right now. What you want to hear is what you want to see. So what we're going to show, tell them what we're going to show them.
We went out, instead of doing the should-haves
No
for
should-haves.
Thanksgiving, which is also our anniversary,
Yes.
we went out and we had fun.
We did.
We went out and,
Rockhound Day!
wow, we found so many agates and it was so awesome.
Mind-blowing big ones, too.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Come along with
Urban
us.
hounding, too.
Yes.
Yep.
So come along with us. You're going to love it.
Yep. Stick around!
Adventure Big.
So what you playing, CJ?
Hey, check this out. Isn't that a beauty? That is
Very
gorgeous.
different
Yes.
carnelian kind of thing.
But it's corally pink. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Hold it in place and I'll get real close. There we go. Wow.
I think the
sun
best
goes right
side
through.
is right there. That's mud.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Now here's a cool one, you guys. I was just sitting on the rock pile playing, looking for rocks. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Holy
That is
cow.
awesome, baby.
Look at that on both sides. See if I can get it nice and focused for you guys. And of course, you can see the sun come through it for sure. No
Yeah.
doubt about it. Really neat.
See it from there, but I'll get in closer. Do you see it? Yeah! Oh my gosh. Will you look at that? Oh, that is a beauty. Yeah, look at that side, baby. Yeah.
Amazing what you can find when you just kind of sit down in the pile. You guys see that? Hiding down there in that hole. I can see the tip of it. Oh my, look at that. Look at the parallax in it. Let's see if I can bring it out so you can see it. Not my fingers per se. Wow. Look at the fire in it. Woohoo. Meaning the color yellows and oranges and reds. Wow. That is cool.
Okay, guys. Can you see it? Can you see it right there?
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Cool. Look at the one I just found.
Wow. That's
the red in it.
amazing.
Look at the red in
Yeah. Wow.
Look at that in.
Jeez, look at the bands.
I know. Cool. Huh?
Awesome. This pile is so rich.
What is that? You know, guys, no matter what pile you happen to be in, sometimes you just get lucky. You want to spray that?
Yeah. Look,
Look at
oh,
that.
wow.
Holy
That's
cow.
gorgeous.
Look at that, you
Man,
guys.
baby. Ooh, woot, woot.
Woo-wee. That has an eye. Look at that. Bands. Wow. Holy cow. In the bucket. So I had to change the, had to change the resolution on that. It was only just like Facebook resolution on that camera so you could get a really, really good look at that.
Wow.
Oh no, another one.
Yeah.
Here, let me get it wet
Oh, wow. Oh,
for you.
what a beauty. Yep. Oh, that is gorgeous. I just love it when my two favorite things, agates and heart-shaped rocks, come together and make a beauty. What do you got, baby?
Oh, look at this guy right here. You see him?
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Let me get close. Oh, wow.
Cool. Here, I'll pick him up and put him in the sun.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, that's ready to go right onto the polisher.
No kidding.
Oh,
Got
yes.
bands in it too. Look
Oh,
at that
yeah.
little eye.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
That's going to be awesome.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I moved that last rock, and look what just popped out. That is gorgeous. Oh, man, this pile is so rich. Oh, so beautiful. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Agate's highest petrified wood. Isn't that a beauty? Can you spray it for me, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And it's ready to go right to the polisher.
Yes, indeed. That
Oh, and see the line of agate right there?
Sure it is.
That is a beauty.
Whoa, and guys, sometimes you just find the score of the day. Look at this thing. Hold it up so you can see the light going through it. That's just SeaJay over there. Look at that thing. Hole all the way through. Tell me that is a killer nodule. Wow. Dang. So cool. Look at the concentric bands around it. Holy cow. That's amazing. So all I did was spin around and keep moving the rocks around with my broken picker. And look what popped out. Even the last little bit of sunshine can help there. Check that one out. Oh my. That is so cool. Look at that. Holy cow. I don't know if it's in focus, but whoa. Look at that. What an unusual shape, too. Holy cow. Man, that's amazing. Just beautiful. What a cool rock.
And 1 foot sweep later, guess what pops up in my field of view? Oh my God. Oh, that is an amazing beauty. Wow. Thank you. What a gorgeous trio. We're gonna get a little bit closer. Look at that milky. That is absolutely gorgeous. And look how it glows. And this one, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, that is a beauty. Let's go back because we got one more. Look at that one. Oh, that is gorgeous. And that is the power of the sun.
What'd you find, CJ? What are you looking at down there? I kind of see a little bit of a glow.
Yep. Look, he's there.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, let me see your water, baby.
Wow. Here, I'll get it for you. Hold it out. Oh, my.
Look, the bands on that puppy. Oh,
Wow.
God, that is
Whoa,
gorgeous.
it's like the size of your palm.
Yeah,
too.
it is. Literally.
Yeah. Hold it up in the sun, sweetie, and let's get a look at it. Not too far. There we go, so we don't get Oh, wow.
Isn't that a beauty?
Yeah, spin it around once.
And it's only got
So
just a little bit of matrix rock on it.
nice.
Look at that.
That is so
And the bands
cool.
go all the way through it.
Nice.
I hope you enjoyed all of our
We sure
finds.
did.
And I'm really glad you came along
Thanks
with
a
us.
lot. We really appreciate you watching.
And remember, get out there, get rockin', and find your treasure today.